to show you Chisel, a writing app that lets you use AI either locally or on the web. On the right, you'll see my settings. Currently, I have it set to use llama.cpp locally with this model and also use Whisper for speech to text. Let me show you a quick demo. So click on the microphone. Once upon a time, so that used Whisper locally to transcribe it. Whisper is built in to Chisel. It's using whisper.cpp. Works pretty well. I can also show you the remote one, Whisper Web. This uses the OpenAI API. I've put in my key right there. Once upon a time. So you can see it works both ways. Now, let me also show you the text generation part. So I have it set to use my local model. Again, llama.cpp is built into Chisel. You do need to download model weights yourself and give it the path. Then you can go up here, click these sparkles, click one of these writing prompts. So I'll click expand. And now it'll take some time to generate the text. Since it's locally, it is slower. While it's working, I'll just talk through the features of Chisel. The big feature is, since it's using these models locally and all your data is stored locally, you have complete control. The key is not being sent anywhere. All the data is just stored locally in your file system. So my goal is to have a complete local writing app with built-in AI that is easy to use. I also have the web versions because the ChatGPT used through the OpenAI API is a lot faster and a lot better in my experience than these. Okay, so in that case, it didn't generate much. Let me show you the GPT example. So if I click expand, so you can see that was a lot faster and a lot better. But you have the options of using both. You could use a different local model than what I have, maybe something that would work better. The other great thing about Chisel is it is a writing app, so it has a lot of features for long form fiction or nonfiction writing. Here are some of the examples of AI tools it has. So I do a lot of my writing by transcribing. So if I go here, you can see I have this one book. If I click on it, there's this import audio button. I can use that to transcribe my notes. You may have noticed when I talk, I use a lot of ums, uhs, likes. So I can remove those using this remove filler words. So another one I like. So let me go ahead and click this to expand the text. Now I can go ahead and ask the AI to rewrite this using the principle of show, don't tell. And there's a better show, don't tell type version. If I want, I can ask for synonyms. And now I have these synonyms to use. Instead of surrounding, maybe I want, actually none of those seem better. I'll stick with surrounding. But the great thing about these is they're all just AI prompts. So if I go here to settings, you can see they're all right there. So you can easily add your own if you want. So for example, I could add one saying convert to title case, convert this text to title case, give it a text placeholder, and I'll just say replace. So now if I select this text and click convert to title case, it works and it happens pretty quickly. Chisel has a bunch of other great writing features. One is this ability to break up text into different sections, so you can work on them separately. You can fold sections you're not working on. You can click here to see the outline of all your sections. With each section, you can click here to mark it in some way. If you would like to highlight it with a color, you can hide it from export. A lot of these features, you can use an app like Ulysses or Bear to get the same features. You can also, by default, everything you write is in Markdown. So title, code, and then if you click this pencil over here, it will format that for you. This pencil switches it to read-only mode, where it will do the formatting, hide the blocks that you've marked as hide and export, and makes it so you can't do any edits, but you can quickly read through your text. So Chisel has a bunch of other features, but I'll stop there for now. I hope you check it out. Let me know if you like it, and thanks for watching.